10 legit money-making apps, easy ways to earn cash online for free. Hey there, rockstars! Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to dive into something that's going to change the game for you. 10 legitimate money-making apps that'll have your smartphone working overtime to boost your bank account. Today, we're unlocking the treasure trove of financial opportunities right at your fingertips. So if you're ready to earn some extra cash, smash that like button and let's get started. App number 1. Our first contender in this money-making showdown is the fabulous Premise app. It's all about conducting market research tasks with a cutting-edge AI focus. Think about it, earning up to $2 for sharing your opinions and local discoveries. That's money in your pocket just waiting to be claimed. And it's available on both iOS and Android, so there's no excuse not to give it a shot. Head over to premise.com to sign up and start racking up those digital dollars. Premise is not just about making money, but also about making a real impact. With its AI-powered platform, you're not only completing market research tasks, but you're also helping organizations gain critical insights they've never had access to before. Imagine being part of a global network of smartphone users all working together to provide valuable data. And the best part? Your efforts are rewarded with earnings ranging from 50 cents to a generous $2 per task. So, while you're earning those digital dollars, remember that you're also contributing to a world of insights that's shaping the future. App number 2. Now let's talk about Luna Influencer, the worldwide app that lets you turn your content creation and survey-taking skills into cold hard cash. Imagine making up to $2 per survey and even more for your creative content. Plus, they've got gift card options for those without a PayPal account. It's like they're saying, hey, we've got something for everyone. Check out Luna Influencer on both iOS and Android and start earning today. Luna Influencer isn't just about surveys and content creation. It's a community of trendsetters and opinion leaders. You're not just earning cash, you're shaping trends and influencing brands' decisions. App number 3. And speaking of opinions, let's not forget the Opinion app. Your thoughts are worth their weight in gold, and this app recognizes that. Simply share your opinions on various subjects through surveys and watch those earnings add up. It might start with a few cents, but with every survey, you're getting closer to those financial goals. Visit theopinionapp.com to download the app and start making your opinions count. Literally. It's the platform that's turning your thoughts into a valuable currency. Unlike other apps, this one recognizes the power of your personal opinions and gives you a chance to share them on various subjects. Think of it as your virtual soapbox, where your insights could lead to real change. But here's the exciting part. The earning potential varies from a few cents to several dollars per survey. And the more you participate, the more you can earn. So by sharing your opinions, you're not just making money, you're also helping shape products, services, and decisions in a way that truly matters. App number 4. Now let's get down to business with Field Agent. This app is all about completing small tasks, like snapping photos of store displays or reviewing products. And guess what? You could be earning a cool $3 to $12 per task. That's right, rockstars. Completing these tasks could be your ticket to financial security. Whether you're on an iOS or Android, there's no stopping you from cashing in. Check out fieldagent.net to get started and let the dollars roll in. It's a gateway to discovering hidden gems and local hotspots. Imagine being a local explorer, snapping pics and sharing your reviews, all while earning extra money. It's like being a modern-day adventurer, and the more you explore, the more you earn. So put on your explorer hat and start uncovering new experiences and cash rewards. App number 5. Are you ready for a rewards bonanza? Say hello to YSense. This amazing platform lets you earn cash by taking surveys, completing tasks, and even shopping online. That's right, you could be getting paid to shop. Whether you're a survey aficionado or a shopping superstar, YSense has your back, with up to $5 per survey. And those figure 8 tasks? They might start small, but they add up faster than you can say cha-ching. Visit YSense.com and start turning your free time into cold, hard cash. This app is your one-stop shop for monetizing your daily routine. It's like turning every click, every survey, and every shopping spree into a mini money-making mission. Plus, with the Figure 8 tasks, you're not just earning money, you're improving your skills and knowledge along the way. It's like leveling up in the game of financial success. App number 6. And now, for all you opinion-sharing enthusiasts, we've got the DScout app in the ring. This app pays you for sharing your experiences and opinions through research missions. Picture this: you're getting paid to do missions. The pay varies, but some scouts claim to have pocketed over $200 for a single mission. Don't wait. Visit DScout.com, sign up, and start sharing your experiences while making that moolah. Imagine being a modern-day scout, completing research missions that are not only fun, but also rewarding. The more missions you complete, the more you earn. And there have been stories of scouts pocketing over $200 for just one mission. It's like being a detective of the modern age, uncovering insights while boosting your bank account. So, if you're ready to channel your inner explorer and make money while doing it, the DScout app is your new partner in crime-solving and cash-earning adventures. App number 7. Get ready for Market Agent, the online panel that transforms your opinions into points and then into cash. Take those online and mobile surveys, earn those points, and watch your earnings soar. With PayPal and Skrill as your payment options, there's no stopping you from turning your thoughts into financial rewards. Head over to marketagent.com, start taking surveys, and let the money-making journey begin. Market Agent isn't just another survey site. It's your passport to an international community of opinion shapers. By participating in surveys, you're not just earning cash. You're connecting with like-minded individuals from around the world. Your insights are part of a global conversation, and the points you earn are a testament to your influence in shaping market trends. App number 8. Now, how about some gaming action? Bubble Shooter by Skills is here to turn your gaming skills into cash. Play games, improve your scores, and watch those earnings grow. While there's no guaranteed pay, the potential to earn money while having a blast is a win-win. Visit skills.com, download the app, and let your gaming prowess pay off big time. Imagine playing your favorite games and actually earning money as you improve your skills. While the pay isn't guaranteed, the thrill of competing in tournaments and matches means you could potentially walk away with some serious cash winnings. It's like having a side hustle that's all about doing what you love. So, whether you're a casual gamer or a die-hard enthusiast, Bubble Shooter by Skills is your portal to turning playtime into payday. App number 9. And now, brace yourself for the Pawns app, the app that pays you while you browse the internet. Yep, you heard it right. You're turning your idle time into money-earning moments. While the pay may not be jaw-dropping, every cent counts. Imagine earning up to 20 cents an hour for simply doing what you'd be doing anyway, surfing the web. Head over to pawnsapp.com, start browsing, and let the cents pile up. The Pawns app may not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's like finding hidden treasure in your pockets. Imagine those moments when you're waiting for a friend, commuting, or just having a quick break. You're browsing, and you're earning. It's turning the mundane into the profitable, 1 cent at a time. It's like putting your idle time to work for you. App number 10. Last but not least, we have Gaming.com, the ultimate app for the gamers among us. Earn up to $20 a day by playing games and honing your skills. Whether you're into strategy, action, or puzzles, there's a game for everyone here. So, if you've got a knack for gaming and you're ready to turn it into cash, visit Gaming.com, download the app, and start gaming your way to financial success. With Gaming.com, you're not just playing games, you're unlocking your potential for financial rewards. Think about it. Every victory, every high score, and every strategic move could lead to earning up to $20 a day. It's like turning your gaming skills into a part-time job, where you're having fun while padding your wallet. So whether you're a casual player or a dedicated gamer, your skills are your currency in this digital arena. And there you have it, rockstars, 10 legitimate money-making apps that are ready to help you pave the way to financial security. Whether you're snapping pics, taking surveys, sharing your opinions, or simply having fun with games, these apps are your secret weapon to earning extra cash on the side. Don't wait. Grab your smartphone, start downloading these incredible apps, and watch your digital dollars skyrocket. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow rock stars. Until next time, keep hustling and keep rocking.